Have you ever opened your eyes in the morning and felt like something is missing? Not the usual stiffness in your back or the fog of sleep, but that deeper sense of energy you once carried without thinking. In your younger years, you probably woke up with a quiet confidence in your body, a natural readiness that whispered, "I'm alive, I'm strong, I'm capable." If that feeling has started to fade, you're not alone. And here's the truth, it doesn't vanish overnight. It slips away slowly as the years pass, often so gradually we barely notice until one morning it's gone. I'm Dr. Rebecca Hayes, a urologist with more than a decade of experience helping men over 50 rediscover their health and vitality. Tonight, I want to share with you something surprisingly simple, a natural bedtime drink that can help restore that morning spark you thought was lost. Now you might be thinking, a drink? Really? Could it be that easy? I understand the skepticism, but what I'm about to share with you isn't a gimmick, and it isn't borrowed from flashy internet trends. It's grounded in biology, in the way your body actually works after the age of 50. And when you understand what's happening beneath the surface, you'll see why this small nighttime habit makes perfect sense. As we move past 50, the body begins to shift in ways most men don't fully notice until the effects pile up. It doesn't happen in a single year, but step by step, system by system. Your blood vessels, for example, are like flexible garden hoses in your youth. They open and close easily, carrying blood wherever it's needed. But over time, those walls become stiffer, less responsive. That means circulation isn't as strong or as steady as it once was. At the same time, testosterone, the hormone that fuels drive, repair, and resilience, doesn't vanish, but it does quietly decline. It slips a little lower each year, changing how you feel in ways that can be hard to put your finger on. Lower energy, slower recovery, even less spark in your confidence. And then there's sleep. You may still clock the same number of hours, but the depth and quality of rest aren't the same. The body doesn't repair as efficiently, leaving you less restored the next morning. When you add these changes together, you get one critical problem: weaker nighttime recovery. Your body isn't fully restoring itself while you sleep, and that reduced recovery shows up in everything from sluggish mornings to lower vitality. This is why what you do before bed matters so much more now than it did in your 20s. Because if you can support circulation, hormones, and deep rest at night, you give your body the tools it needs to bounce back stronger the next day. So what is this simple ritual I've been building toward? It isn't a pill, it isn't a supplement, and it doesn't come from an expensive bottle on a pharmacy shelf. It's a drink you can make in your own kitchen in less than 2 minutes. All you need is 3 ingredients: warm water, a splash of pure pomegranate juice, a thin slice of fresh ginger. That's it. No caffeine, no added sugar, nothing artificial, just 3 natural elements that work together in powerful ways while you sleep. Pomegranate juice is rich in compounds called polyphenols, natural plant protectors that keep your blood vessels flexible and healthy. Think of it like polishing the inside of your circulation system so blood can flow freely, lowering pressure and improving oxygen delivery where it matters most. Ginger adds another layer of support. Beyond its familiar use in cooking, ginger actually helps your body produce nitric oxide, the molecule that tells blood vessels to relax and open wider. Many prescription medications try to mimic this same pathway, but ginger encourages it naturally, gently, and safely. And then there's the warm water. Most people overlook it, but warmth helps the body absorb nutrients more effectively. It calms your digestive system, soothes your nerves, and even encourages blood vessels to expand slightly. In other words, it prepares your body to take full advantage of the juice and ginger. Together, these 3 ingredients form more than just a bedtime drink. They create a nightly signal to your body. It's time to rest, restore, and prepare for tomorrow with strength. Why nighttime is the secret window. Most people think of sleep as a pause button, like the body simply powers down until morning, but that's not what's really happening. Sleep is the most active healing period of your entire day. While you're resting, your body is busy with repairs. Cells are rebuilding, tissues are mending, and hormones are recalibrating. Testosterone, for instance, is released in small, powerful bursts at night. Those pulses are vital. They drive muscle recovery, energy, and even your sense of well-being the next morning. Your nervous system also shifts gears while you sleep. During the day, stress keeps you locked in fight or flight mode, but at night, if you allow it, your body moves into rest and digest. That calm state is where true healing begins. Your heart rate eases, your vessels relax, and your organs finally get a break. Even your blood vessels go through a nightly rhythm, expanding and contracting in a way that helps them stay flexible. That flexibility is the foundation of strong, steady circulation, the very thing most men begin to lose after 50. But here's the catch. If you go to bed dehydrated, inflamed, or weighed down with sugar and processed foods, your body never gets to use this healing window properly. Instead of repair, it spends the night in defense mode. Stiff vessels, restless sleep, and poor recovery. That's where the bedtime drink makes its impact. By combining hydration, vessel support, and gentle anti-inflammatory power right before you rest, you're essentially giving your body a green light to heal. You're creating the right environment for recovery instead of sabotaging it. What you'll start to notice. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Can something this simple really make a difference? The answer isn't found in overnight miracles, but in the steady improvements that build when you give your body what it needs consistently. I've seen this play out with patients, friends, even family members who tried this routine. The changes weren't dramatic on day one, but over weeks, they began to notice things they thought were gone for good. For some, it started with sleep, falling asleep faster, waking up less during the night, and opening their eyes in the morning feeling lighter and clearer. Others noticed fewer nighttime bathroom trips, which alone can change how refreshed you feel when the sun comes up. And then there's the deeper shift, that quiet sense of morning vitality returning. Not a surge of youth, but a steady, reassuring signal from the body that circulation is improving, recovery is happening, and energy is flowing again. These are the kinds of changes that restore confidence, because they remind you that your body isn't broken or past its prime. It's simply been waiting for the right support. And the beauty is, this isn't about drastic lifestyle overhauls. It's one simple nightly choice that tilts the balance back in your favor. Here's something I want you to really take in. This isn't about trying to rewind the clock or pretending you're 25 again. It's about honoring the man you are today. Every stage of life brings its own strength, and part of that strength is knowing how to care for yourself. When you take a few minutes before bed to prepare this drink, you're doing more than hydrating or boosting circulation. You're sending a message to yourself. I matter. My health matters. My tomorrow matters. That message carries weight, because most men fall into the trap of thinking results only come from something extreme, a strict program, a complicated supplement routine, or an intense workout. But often, the opposite is true. It's the small, consistent acts of support that create the deepest changes. Sipping this blend slowly at night can become more than a routine. It can be a ritual, a nightly moment of respect for your body. You're not forcing anything, you're not chasing a quick fix. You're simply allowing your system to do what it was designed to do, restore itself. And there's real dignity in that. Because the man who cares for his health in quiet, intentional ways often ends up stronger than the man who ignores the basics while chasing shortcuts. The amplifier. Gentle evening movement. Now, if you want to take this simple ritual to another level, here's something I recommend. Pair it with just a little gentle movement in the evening. I'm not talking about hitting the gym at 9 p.m. or doing anything intense. In fact, the goal is the opposite. You want something calming, something that shifts your body out of stress mode and into recovery mode. It could be a peaceful 10-minute walk after dinner, a few minutes of slow stretching in your living room, or simply lying on your back, breathing deeply with one hand on your chest. These quiet practices activate what's called the parasympathetic nervous system, your body's rest and restore switch. When that system turns on, everything else falls into place. Your heart rate steadies, your blood vessels relax, your digestion smooths out, and your hormones line up to do their work during sleep. Combine that state with the circulation supporting power of pomegranate and ginger, and you've created the perfect environment for deep recovery. The drink on its own is powerful, but when you give your body both nourishment and relaxation cues, you're telling it very clearly, it's safe to heal now, and that's when the real transformation begins. So here's your new bedtime ritual. Nothing complicated, nothing overwhelming, just a few intentional steps. Move your body gently, breathe deeply, pour warm water into a cup, add a splash of pure pomegranate juice, drop in a slice of fresh ginger, and sip it slowly. This isn't about chasing lost youth or competing with your younger self. It's about showing respect for the man you are today. A man who deserves to feel strong, clear, and capable every morning. And here's the truth. The real change doesn't come from a single drink or a single night. It comes from consistency, from proving to your body night after night that you're paying attention, that you're willing to support it, that you're still in the game. Over time, this becomes more than a routine. It becomes a ritual, a promise you keep to yourself, a promise that says, I choose to age with strength. I choose to invest in my health. I choose to honor this body because it's still mine to live fully in. So tonight, instead of numbing yourself with late night television or scrolling endlessly on your phone, I invite you to try something different. Give yourself 2 minutes, make this drink, and let it remind you of what's possible. Because your best years aren't behind you. They're waiting for the moment you decide to nourish them. If this message resonates with you, subscribe for more ways to reclaim your vitality naturally. And share this with someone who could use the reminder that it's never too late to rebuild strength and confidence.